front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open Photos app and decide if you want to get rid of your photos from Photos or Collections sections on the left. Let's start with Photos. All you need to do is hold one and then use those icons at the top left corners to pick multiple right away. To keep some, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from collections, pick a folder, hold one photo, and do exactly the same. The only difference is that the bin button is now located at the top right corner. So click on it and tap on Move to Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!